Salud, everyone. Take a step towards real profit. My subscriber did it with minimal investment and achieved amazing results. You can see his messages on your screen right now. The trader has implemented a smart AI-based assistant in his work. It's the Max Bot robot. It is absolutely free. Pick it up right now from the link in the description. But know that in a month it will be available only for a fee, so hurry up. Don't miss new informative videos, friends. Click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments, it motivates me to keep going. So, I got a signal from artificial intelligence for the first trade of the day. Active buy. 9 indicators in the report from the robot say that the bulls will be stronger in the next 5 minutes. I trust the bot and enter the trade clearly according to the signal. Currency pair Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. Almost an hour ago, after a powerful rise in price by the bulls and building up volumes, a period of long consolidation began, but I think that the bulls have accumulated strength and will soon push back from the support zone, break through the resistance area, and I will achieve a positive result. Guys, I have accelerated the price movement to save your time, for the convenience of watching this video. By the way, I would like to mention the fact that in addition to the free bot, you will get a very valuable promo code at the link in the description. This is a promo code for plus 100% to deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of it. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Also you will get access to VIP chat with signals and market analysis from me. Losing in trading? Good. That means you're closer than you think. Let's start with a brutal truth. You can't win if you don't protect your capital. Everyone wants to talk about indicators and strategies, but the traders who survive long enough to win, they've got one thing in common: money management. You've got to treat your account like a business, not a casino. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Let's say you're working with $100. You should be entering trades with $1. A win gives you 80 cents. With $1,000, you trade $10, making $8 per clean setup. At $10,000, that turns into $100 per trade, with $80 profit stacking up. Same skill, same logic, but with a higher deposit, your rewards multiply without increasing risk. That's why I always recommend, fund your account to your limit. Not to gamble more, but to scale smarter. Now let's talk about the pain, the frustration, the part where you feel like everything you do goes wrong. Your setups look clean, you follow your plan, but the market says, not today. Sound familiar? Good, because this is where most people quit. And if you're still here, still listening, that means you're not most people. Let me hit you with this. Trading is not about always being right. It's about being consistent enough to survive your own mistakes. You've seen The Pursuit of Happiness, right? Will Smith's character is broke, homeless, desperate. He's carrying his kid from shelter to shelter. But he never quits. In the meantime, I got my first plus, thanks to a correct recommendation from a smart neural network called Max Bot. This is a valuable tool with which you will really start earning. Its signals have an average of 80% success rate. Look at the channel with reviews. How much people earn, the link in the description. Active buying. This is another signal. I decided to work with another currency pair. The dollar and the yen. 5 minutes is the expiration time. Get the robot for free, friends. The link is below the video. Also subscribe to our informative Telegram channel. I can see from the chart that the price rallied smoothly in the past hour, after which the bears corrected it and started to press, but I think these factors will not reverse the trend globally. I think that the bulls will catch the upward momentum again, pushing from the local low point, which they use as a support zone. Friends, there is a contest on our channel with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by following just a few simple steps that don't require much time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, Only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. You won't get applause. You won't get validation. You'll get silence, drawdowns, and doubt. But if you stay in the game, you'll also get results. Think about the greats. Michael Jordan? Cut from his high school team. J.K. Rowling? Rejected by 12 publishers. Steve Jobs? Fired from his own company. And yet, they didn't stop. They adapted. They got better. They stayed in it. That's you right now. So if you've been losing? If your equity curve looks like a ski slope, don't panic. Process. Every red day is feedback. Every loss is a data point. And every time you show up again, with discipline, you're rewriting your future. Here's the secret. The winners didn't get lucky. They just didn't quit. They didn't chase revenge trades. They didn't abandon their risk plan. They didn't go all in to get it back. They journaled. They adapted. They took the hit, and they kept showing up. So stop looking at your losses like failure. They're the tuition you're paying to become great. This journey isn't for the fragile. But if you've made it this far, you're not fragile. You're building something real. So breathe, recenter, stick to your plan, and remember, the next trader to break through might not be the smartest, just the one who lasted longer than the others. Let that be you. In the meantime, I closed the trade in the plus side again. This robot will help you to progress as well. Today I earned $1,780. Get the bot for free and subscribe to the channel. Bye.